In the end of the video, there's going to be a game changer you need to know. Hello, kings and queens of efficiency, and to you PowerPoint tutorial enthusiasts. Ever felt like creating a presentation was like running a marathon? Or just hoping to quickly create a presentation? Here's some news. PowerPoint is last decade. Today, we're diving into the future. This is probably your past self. You've tried all the studying hacks, time management skills, and PowerPoint tutorial videos, but still feel like creating a presentation is like pulling teeth, isn't it? Isn't there a quicker way? Because when you quickly want to create a presentation, it still somehow ends up taking hours, doesn't it? No one's got time for that. Well, unless you've mastered the art of time travel. If you have, please DM me. Now, introducing Decktopus. It's not a fancy sea creature, it's better. Forget everything you know about PowerPoint tutorial techniques. This is a real game changer. In a minute or less, you're not just creating a PowerPoint, you're pretty much conquering it. It's the supreme tool if you really quickly want to create a presentation, and I mean really quick. Or if you just hate manually adjusting slides for hours on end. Instant professional presentations? Check. Easy design with zero skill? Check. Auto-adjusting content so you don't break your brain? Big check. Alright, I guess now you're ready to leave PowerPoint in the dust, aren't you? Follow these steps to create a killer presentation in no time. First, zip over to the official Decktopus website, link in the video description below. And yeah, use this exact link or you'll find yourself on a marine biology page. And trust me, no studying hacks there. Second, hit the sign up button, and third, ready, set, create, and brace yourself to witness the magic. Want to create PowerPoint quick? Think Decktopus. After all, PowerPoint feels a bit prehistoric, doesn't it? Now, please drop a comment on what you liked most in this video. If you're tired of playing catch up with live and presentations and you just want to let the newest AI tools take care of all your sorrows, give me your email so I can send you a short email every Friday with the coolest AI tool I found this week that helps you in your studies. The link to drop your email is down below. See you next Friday. Stay snappy, stay savvy. Cheers.